So to reiterate, here are my timing marks, my normal ones. I put some on the other side so I could monitor both cylinders. And so again, running with this with a timing light on my top cylinder, this was bouncing all over the place, and then all of a sudden I'd start seeing the triple marks on the opposite side, which is telling me that this is not signaling properly, this top coil module. When I put it on the bottom one with my marks on the other side, I'm assuming that the plug should be at 360 degrees from the other one. I consistently would see my 3 marks. If you'd advance the throttle, you would see them move forward, so I know the advance was working properly. I then swap these wires, swap the plugs going to the other ones, and again, the idea of this test was to see, is it this unit that's sending the wrong signal to the coil pack, or is the coil pack going to give me the same kind of invalid operation on the bottom cylinder? And then since this wire doesn't, or this top wire doesn't really fit, I had to cheat and use one of these guys, a spark plug tester, just so I could get the coil pack to go to the bottom one. And again, I saw the same thing. When this bad coil pack was doing the bottom cylinder, I would see the 3 marks, but they would disappear and go back and forth. When I would hook up to this coil pack, but it was firing the number 1 cylinder, I would consistently see, the timing marks like I was expecting to. So again, this is a nice way of testing to see, hey, is one of the coil packs bad? And again, I did do the resistance and diode test on both of them, and they both tested out okay. And it is interesting on this engine. I bought it a couple weeks ago for $200, that this one looks like it's been replaced before. This one looks like the original. Voltage regulator, it looks like there might be an issue there, but that doesn't seem to be affecting anything. So again, on this engine, rebuilt the fuel pump. I didn't think it was getting fuel properly. Oil injection's working. Everything else seems pretty good. But when you try to run it at about 2,500 RPM, it just stumbles and just like it's missing, and it just doesn't get to full power. And I'm hoping the whole issue is this upper coil pack, or what is that, CDM coil module. So hopefully this will help you out. But again, it's a good way to do a quick test to see, do you have an offending coil pack, and on what cylinder. See you online.